Got some photo recovery software to look at today, but this one is for corrupted files. It's made by a company called Stellar Data Recovery, and they have provided me with a sample to use to demonstrate it. They do quite a few different software packages, but there are three main ones for photo and video: Standard, Professional and the Premium. I have the standard version to look at. Standard gives you the repair option for corrupt pictures. Pro version supports photo recovery for lost or deleted files. Premium has all of that, but it also does video file repairs. Just to give you a quick demonstration with the software, it's very straightforward to use. We have the menu option at the top there. You can just click that icon. These are the supported languages that you have. The I buttons for the information, tells you which version you're using. Question mark takes you to the online tutorial. You can check for periodic updates, and it does support RAW files as well. I'm just going to click the add file button, go in there, and I have three files here which I will demonstrate to you. Now, they look like normal pictures until you try and open them up, and you can see that they are actually quite corrupted. We've got odd colours and lines going across them. They're essentially ruined. They're no use whatsoever. I'll pick these three and hit the open button. And then just click the repair button, and the software will attempt to recover the files so that you can use them. And for small files like this, it doesn't take too long. It's quite quick, but obviously it will depend on the number of files and what type of files you are recovering. You can see we get the preview when we click on the images. The potential to handle quite a lot of images, which could be something you're looking at if you have a corrupted memory card, for example. All you need to do now to save the files is pick the folder where you're going to save them. And then once you've done that, it will export them to that folder. So it never actually changes the original files. It just tries to recover them and create new files. I'm going to open these three up, and they have been successfully recovered in this case. Obviously, it's worth remembering it's not always going to work with everything that you try, but it does seem to have a pretty decent success rate. There may be some times when you need to do a more advanced repair, and there is an option to do that. That does tend to take longer. Typical causes of file corruption, it does tend to be the memory card that's at fault, so I would recommend that you check your card if you've been having problems. I've also seen some examples where the memory card reader can be faulty, or the cable connecting it to a computer. Occasionally there's been a few problems with camera firmware from manufacturers where that has caused file corruption. That's not very common. I have seen some problems with sudden power loss. That could be the battery running out, or potentially things like a grip where you've lost the power or the contacts. If you're interested in the software, do check out the links down below, and hopefully I'll be seeing you in some of my future videos. Thanks for watching.